Have you ever felt it? That heavy feeling in your chest, like something is missing? You try to pray, but your mind is somewhere else. You hear the Qur'an, but it feels like just words. And deep down, you start asking yourself, what's wrong with me? If you feel this way, listen carefully, because what you're feeling might be a warning. The first sign is the sin of thoughts. One of the biggest signs of weak Iman is not just what you do, it's how you think. Constant anxiety, overthinking your future, fear of what might happen. When Iman becomes weak, you stop trusting Allah, and you start carrying the weight of the world on your own shoulders. But Allah already told you. Surah At-Talaq ayat number 3, and whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. Solution: let go, and trust Him. You were never meant to control everything. You were meant to rely on Allah. Second sign, looking for signs in the wrong places. When the Quran doesn't move you, the Sunnah doesn't move you, but you're searching for signs in random things, that is a dangerous place to be. Allah says, Surah Al-Baqarah ayat 2, this is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah. If Allah's own words don't touch your heart, then your heart needs healing. Solution: return to the Quran, not just reading, but understanding, feeling, reflecting. Sign third, crossing the red line. Islam gives you space to have ups and downs, but there is a line you must never cross. The 5 daily prayers, fasting in Ramadan, zakat, hajj. When you start neglecting these, you are not just low anymore, you are in danger. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 82, the Prophet said, between a man and disbelief is abandoning prayer. Solution: start with the basics, no perfection, just consistency. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 46, the Prophet said, if he is truthful, he will succeed. The fourth sign suggests loving someone else instead of Allah. If dunya becomes more important than Allah, your Iman is already weak. Allah says, Surah At-Tawbah ayat 24, say, O Muhammad, if your fathers, your sons, your brothers, your wives, your relatives are more beloved to you than Allah and His Messenger, then wait until Allah executes His command. Solution: change your priorities. Put Allah first. Everything else will fall into place. Sign fifth, loving someone more than the Prophet. Iman is not complete until the Prophet is more beloved to you than yourself. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 15, the Prophet said, none of you truly believes until I am more beloved to him than his father, his children, and all mankind. Solution: learn about him, follow him, love him. Sin 6, disobeying the Prophet, ignoring the Sunnah, choosing your desires over his guidance. This is not small. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7280, the Prophet said, whoever obeys me will enter paradise, and whoever disobeys me has refused. Solution: submit fully. No excuses, no resistance. How will your faith be restored despite these sins? You might be thinking, I've gone too far. But listen to Allah. Surah Az-Zumar ayat 53, say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Right now, say it, Ya Rab, forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7405, the Prophet said, Allah says, if you come to me walking, I will come to you running. When you sincerely ask Allah for forgiveness, your Iman will rise, and if you are lost again. But Allah never leaves. Surah Al-Baqarah ayat 286, Allah does not charge a soul except its capacity. So don't wait for a feeling. Start with your next prayer. Make one sincere Tawbah. Because if you turn to Him, He is already waiting for you. I hope this reminder touched your heart. If it did, make sure to like this video and share what you felt in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Visible Deen for more powerful Islamic reminders. Stay connected to Allah, and never give up. Thank you for watching.